Google just dropped Gemini 3.7 Flash. And these numbers are different. FrontierCode, 43.6%. Highest of any model tested. Long context at 128K tokens, 97% accuracy. Cheaper than Sonnet. Faster than Opus. Better at code. This is Gemini 3.7 Flash. Google's workhorse for coding. Not a rewrite. Built on 3.6. Same architecture. What changed? Algorithmic improvements to reasoning. Thinking system. Chain of thought. Low, medium, high. Knowledge cutoff March 2026. React 19, Python 3.13. Target, complex coding, agentic workflows, multi-step. Benchmarks worth paying attention to. FrontierCode. Production refactoring. 43.6 highest. $128K tokens. 97%. Most models collapse at 32K. Harvey Lab 90.7. LV Bench 85.4. Intelligence 56 versus 57. What benchmarks don't show? Reliability. Loops. Hallucinations. Under the hood. Reasoning improved. Thinking tokens. Low, medium, high. Speed versus quality. Migration, remove temperature, top P, use thinking level. Safety improved. No critical risks. Enterprise ready. Pricing. 75 cents input. $3.75 output. Through December. Claude $15. GPT $32. Gemini is 4 times cheaper. Free tier. No credit card. 5,000 search requests. How to use ai.google.dev API key. Install SDK. Import. Configure. Generate content. 4 lines. Thinking level config. Set high for hard problems. Gotcha response.text not choices 0 message content. Use cases. Agentic coding. Video analysis. Docs. Code review. Multi-file refactoring. Real code. Limitations. Hallucinates. Timeouts. Not AGI. Test yourself. Run your own benchmarks. Built for coding. Priced for scale. Subscribe. What would you build? See you next time.